Distant time, we will be in Edo by the grace of God.
Amen.
Where a befitting gathering, political rally, befitting their status, will take place. But I recognize Chief Don P. And Prince Brimo. And Prince Agedo. Edo is a land of princes. Princes and princesses and kings.
Princes and princes.
And Donald. And all of you. And I told Donald that I like his stomach. Particularly what is contained inside it. Now, all of you from Edo, as well as the delegation from Gombe, I thank you all for coming. Some stakeholders, senior stakeholder in Edo said he has never been in a party before, but is here, identifying and registering for NDC. I thank you, Chief. Thank you. And so to all of you who have come to join us, on behalf of the National Chairman and the members of the National Working Committee, and on behalf of their excellencies, who are very senior citizens who have joined us a few days back, as you know, His Excellency Peter Obi was here a short while ago, and His Excellency Rabi Musa Konkoso, and all of us in the NDC family. I want to thank all of you for finding time to be here to publicly identify with the NDC. The national chairman and his team would have been here to personally receive you, as they always do. But this one, they are unable to come because they are very busy trying to put finishing touches to our convention that will take place on Saturday. So they are very busy. A convention that now, after this ceremony, all of you have acquired the right to attend. So we look forward to seeing all of you there. But most importantly, we welcome you to our party. We welcome you to the party that is now there to salvage Nigeria. A party that is out to promote good governance, unify our country, fight and defeat insecurity and terrorism, promote economic prosperity, promote women and youth inclusion, and take Nigeria back to the top where we used to be. We can't do it alone. This party is for all Nigerian people, and we are happy that you are all part of it. We count on you, your leaders. All of you are stakeholders. And let me tell you this, you are not joiners. You are all co-founders of this party and co-builders of this party. So we count on you all as you get back, connect, relate with the officials on ground, and work and build and strengthen all the structures of the party. Play your roles as leaders and stakeholders at all levels. What? Local government, state, and even community and unit levels. Get a hold of our constitution, familiarize yourselves with the ideals of our party. NDC is an ideological party. It's not a party that will play politics as they used to do. We play principled politics, playing by the rules, respecting the processes of the party and the laws of Nigeria, promote propriety of political conduct, encourage and support one another, okay, and not do anything that will breed instability in our party. With the faces we have seen from Edo alone, there's no doubt that the APC in that state is collapsing. 100%. It has started. It has started to collapse. And when you get back to Edo, join the team that is there and mop up everybody. From APC, from PDP before, I don't know what is left of it. It used to be my party, great party in those days, but then not anymore. And also the ADC and the Labour Party. All parties, mop all of them up. This party is open for all Nigerians. This party is for all Nigerians. All those who believe in our salvation mission should come on board. So I thank you all for coming. From Gombe State, Your Excellency, we are delighted in receiving you today. This is a prelude to the formal reception that will be given to you when you connect with your people in Gombe. I had asked the National Vice Chairman, Northeast, Dr. Arabs, who would have been here, but they're all very busy working. So I expect you to connect with him and with the structures of the party back home and strengthen the party. You see, a political party is a horse. If you are a horseman, you will know what I'm saying. A rider and a horse. The party is the horse. If the horse is weak, if the horse is sick, if the horse is hungry, if the horse is not trained, no matter how good the rider is, that horse carrying a rider cannot win any race. Most politicians put themselves and their ambitions before the party. Please, in the NDC, we want to build a party that will outlast all of us. In most countries around the world, and even in Africa, in West Africa even, Sierra Leone and other places, they are still working with their colonial pre-independence political parties. So what happened to the NCNC in Nigeria? What happened to the NPC in Nigeria? What happened to even the NPN that came much later? So every for-action group and all of that. And now right before us, a major calamity has happened affecting the political history of our country. The PDP, a big political brand, right before us, has now collapsed. Dismantled by its own members and leaders and people who are encouraging them. Wiping out a major part of our political heritage. In the NDC, we want to do what the South African leaders and people did in the ANC. We want NDC to be like ANC. We want NDC to be like the Congress Party of India. Amen. And the BJP of India. They're still there. And even in Nigeria, in Ghana here, just here, 1 hour, 30 minutes, you get there. They have the NDC, which incidentally is also the government, the party in power. That tells you that in West Africa is NDC wave. NDC all the way. So, gentlemen, please, this party is not just a political platform for election. We want to institutionalize the idea of an ideological political party. A party for a father, a party for a child coming, a party for a grandchild that will come tomorrow. That's the kind of party we are building. We know that these are electioneering times, and politics is fueled by ambitions. And I used to teach people that in this game, all ambitions are legitimate. All legitimate. They are legitimate and they are all equal. It's the duty of the party to respect everyone and to provide a fair chance for all. So please, for those of you coming, please, this is not a platform for transactional politics. This is a platform for ideological politics of service. When something is right and fair and good, we say so. When something is wrong, we condemn it. And we come up with a solution to do better. That's the politics we want to encourage all of us to play. On behalf of all our leaders and the working committee and officials, I receive you all. And we welcome you to the NDC family. If you have cards, the chairman has said, since they are all busy there, we should provide the symbolic cards to you, the members of the Edo State House of Assembly. Thank you very much for believing in us.